Among the many challenges any emergency oil response team faces is the fact that they must rely heavily on traditional air support for surveillance. This method is very costly, consuming significant resources, which means limited time in the air and on site. There are also visual limitations. And since they are manned flights, this puts individuals at constant risk. It is just not possible to safely utilize enough aircraft to give sufficient support to all response teams.
We're trying to find a way to improve the efficiency, improve the safety, and to reduce the cost of the overall tactical information being fed to the task force that would be either doing skimming or in situ burning in a event of a response to an oil spill.
For BP's crisis response team, a part of the solution turned out to be somewhat simple: a balloon. However, this was no ordinary balloon. This one was designed to handle very rough wind and weather. This new surveillance system was originated by BP Alaska, where it thoroughly addressed those difficult challenges previously presented in the areas of safety, efficiency, and cost. Tethered to a response vessel and suspended at 500 feet, the balloon would carry a payload containing a sophisticated digital imaging system. This unmanned system could work nearly around the clock and at a fraction of the cost of traditional air support.
It makes for a safer operation because you're not depending on traditional aerial surveillance that includes man hours for people in the air and helicopters and airplanes.
This eye in the sky offers state-of-the-art imaging far superior to any human eye, even with binoculars.
Verify what Ford said.
5, 2, 1.
Previously only available to the military, utilizes optical and infrared, which means it's capable of working in conditions with poor visibility, including heavy fog or twilight.
The camera system is unique. It is the most advanced technology available, utilized by the Army and other customers. It has 3 different sensors. One of them is daylight. It's a Sony video camera, essentially, with a zoom capability that goes up to 30x or 40x. And then there are 2 other sensors, infrared and shortwave infrared.
It can also detect changes in temperature to the water's surface from up to 2 miles away. Live information with GPS mapping is transmitted from the balloon down to the towing vessel, which can then be relayed to a number of different media devices, including a smartphone. The images can be transmitted to other responders and command staff in real time, meaning consistent, accurate, and up-to-date information, vital for effective spill response.
From a responder standpoint, your success is dependent upon receiving accurate information regarding your target. This technology lends itself well to that application. If you can find your target and get out of search mode and into attack mode as rapidly as possible, you're going to come out on the other end with a lot more successful mission.
If you've got an environmentally sensitive area, you can deploy these devices, get a good view, a good scope of the area, and make a determination of whether or not what your best use of a resource would be. If it's small surgical strike teams, larger footprint with machines, and just make the right call for the right job as far as reducing impact to the environment.
Flexible, lightweight, and portable, this balloon in a box can be quickly and easily deployed anywhere it's needed, and with minimal training. This means very little time is wasted getting the responders to their targets. BP Alaska will go on sharing this valuable technology with other oil task forces, state and federal agencies, industry partners, whoever might benefit from it. even as we seek to continually improve upon it.